Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change address in AliExpress app on your phone. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the AliExpress app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure you are logged in with your account. Now in order to change the address, you need to go to your account section. Here you can see the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now in your account space, you can see the flag icon at the top, which denotes your country. So you can simply tap on it. Now you can select the country you want to change to. Right now it is selected to United States. So tap on this. And here you can change your country. Let's say I'll change it to United Kingdom. And there you go, your country is now changed. If you want to change the shipping address too, you can again go to your account section. And next up, you can see the settings icon beside the country flag. Tap on it. Select shipping address. Here I have my existing shipping address saved. If you want to change this address, you can add a new address. You can see the button add new address over here. Tap on it. Now you can select your country, your first name, your last name, provide your phone number, and enter your address manually like this. And once you fill up this information, you can save it. And that's it. That's how you can change your address on AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.